1. Generic name, drug class, drug forms. Generic name, cefotaxime. Drug class, third-generation cephalosporin antibiotic, beta-lactam antibiotic. Available forms, injection, intravenous IV and intramuscular IM. Powder for reconstitution, used to prepare injectable solution. Brand names, Clafrin, most widely known. Others include Cefotax, Taxim, Otaxime, Cefotax, depends on region, manufacturer. Def 2. Cefotaxime is a third-generation cephalosporin antibiotic used to treat a wide variety of serious bacterial infections. It is particularly effective against gram-negative bacteria and some gram-positive bacteria. Due to its broad-spectrum activity, it's often used in hospitals for infections that are resistant to other antibiotics. 3. Mechanism of action. Cefotaxime acts by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis. It binds to penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs, inside the bacterial cell wall. This prevents the cross-linking of peptidoglycan chains, which are essential for cell wall strength and rigidity. As a result, the bacterial cell wall becomes weak and eventually ruptures, leading to cell death, bactericidal action. 4. Indications, uses. Cefotaxime is used to treat infections caused by susceptible organisms, including respiratory tract infections, e.g. pneumonia, bronchitis, urinary tract infections, UTIs, gynecological infections, e.g. pelvic inflammatory disease, intra-abdominal infections, skin and soft tissue infections, bone and joint infections, bacteremia and septicemia, central nervous system infections, e.g. meningitis, perioperative prophylaxis in surgical procedures. 5. Contraindications. Do not use cefotaxime if you are allergic to cephalosporins, you have had anaphylactic reactions to penicillins or other beta-lactam antibiotics, you have previous severe hypersensitivity to cefotaxime or any component of the formulation. March 6. Precautions. Before taking this medicine, tell your doctor if you are allergic to penicillin, cephalosporins, or any other antibiotics. Have kidney disease, dosage may need adjustment. Have gastrointestinal disorders, especially colitis or antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Are pregnant or breastfeeding. Cefotaxime crosses the placenta and is excreted in breast milk. Are taking diuretics or other nephrotoxic drugs, risk of kidney damage. Are on anticoagulants. Cefotaxime may affect prothrombin levels. Have history of seizures or CNS disorders. High doses may induce seizures, especially in renal impairment. 7. How to use cefotaxime. Administered via IV infusion, IV bolus, or deep IM injection. Must be reconstituted with sterile water or compatible diluent before use. IV infusion is typically given over 20 to 60 minutes. IM injections should be administered deep into a large muscle, e.g. gluteus. Note: administration should be done by a healthcare provider in a sterile environment. 8. Dosing information. General adult dosing, uncomplicated infections, 1-2 gram every 8 hours. Severe infections, up to 2 gram every 6 to 8 hours. Meningitis sepsis, 2 gram every 4 to 6 hours, maximum 12 grams per day. Pediatric dosing, based on weight, typically 50 to 180 milligrams per kilos per day, divided into 2 to 6 doses. Renal impairment, dose adjustments required. Prolonged dosing intervals or reduced dose to avoid accumulation. Missed overdose. Missed dose, administer as soon as remembered. If it's close to the next scheduled dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: seizures, encephalopathy, kidney dysfunction, treatment, supportive care, including IV fluids, seizure control, and possibly hemodialysis. 10. When to stop or avoid taking. Discontinue immediately and seek medical help if you develop severe allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. Severe diarrhea may indicate Clostridioides difficile associated colitis. Liver dysfunction symptoms: jaundice, dark urine. Seizures, especially in renal impairment. Note: do not stop therapy early unless advised. Completing the full course prevents antibiotic resistance. #11. Side effects in detail. Common side effects: diarrhea, injection site pain or inflammation, rash, fever. Serious side effects: hypersensitivity reactions, anaphylaxis, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, Clostridioides difficile associated diarrhea, CDAD, neutropenia, thrombocytopenia, blood dyscrasias, liver dysfunction, elevated AST, jaundice, nephrotoxicity, especially with aminoglycosides, neurotoxicity, encephalopathy, seizures at high doses, or renal dysfunction. 12. Vital information. Culture and sensitivity tests should be done before initiating treatment. Adjust dosage in renal impairment. Monitor blood counts, renal and liver function if used for long periods. May interfere with urine glucose tests using copper reduction methods, e.g. ClinITest. 13. Drug interactions, other drugs that will affect cefotaxime. Drugs that may interact. Probenecid, delays renal excretion, increases serum levels of cefotaxime. Aminoglycosides, e.g. gentamicin, increased risk of nephrotoxicity. Loop diuretics, e.g. furosemide, increased risk of nephrotoxicity. Oral anticoagulants, e.g. warfarin, may increase bleeding risk due to interference with vitamin K synthesis. Live bacterial vaccines, e. typhoid, may reduce vaccine effectiveness. Summary chart. Category details, cefotax. Mechanism and generic name, cefotaxime. Third generation cephalosporin, form IV/IM injection. Brand names, clafurin, taxim, cefotax. Mechanism, inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis. Indications, respiratory, UTI, meningitis, sepsis, skin infections. Contraindications, allergy to cephalosporins, penicillin. Common side effects, diarrhea, rash, injection site pain. Serious side effects, anaphylaxis, seizures, C. difficile colitis. Precautions, renal liver disease, allergy history, pregnancy. Dosing, 122 Guy Vim Q68H adjusted per infection severity. Overdose, seizures, nephrotoxicity, seek emergency care. Interactions, probenecid, aminoglycosides, diuretics, anticoagulants. Would you like this formatted into a printable PDF or table format for study purposes?